fourth. First heart sound, second heart sounds are the normal heart sounds. Third and fourth are sometimes heard as a normal, but most of them, it is an abnormal heart sounds. First heart sound is produced because of closure of atrioventricular valves. When the ventricles start contracting, क्या होता? When the ventricles start contracting, let's say this is what is in heart, the ventricles start contracting, blood tries to go back into the atria. This is prevented by closure of the valves, and that produces a first heart sound. Closure of atrioventricular म्हणजे कुठले valves? Mitral and tricuspid. Mitral and tricuspid valve. Closure of the first heart sound produced by closure of atrioventricular valves occurs during contraction period of the ventricles. Characteristic is long, soft and low pitched. Duration is only for very short seconds. Frequency is ECG मध्ये एक कॉन्सेप्ट होते पीक ऑफ द आर वेव्स. QRS कॉम्प्लेक्स मधला जो ECG आहे पीक ऑफ द आर वेव्सला तो दिसतो. नंबर ऑफ व्हायब्रेशन्स म्हणतो 9 to 13. आता फर्स्ट हार्ट साउंड प्रोड्यूस बाय क्लोजर ऑफ atrioventricular valves. Second heart sound produced by closure of
Semilunar valve.
where are they located?
Bicuspid.
Aortic and pulmonary valves. Aortic and pulmonary valves. Occurs during the diastole period of the. This occurs during systole period. This occurs during
Isometric relaxation.
relaxation of the
Heart.
ventricles. It is short, sharp, and high pitched, and about 50 cycles per second, and 4 to 6 phonocardia movement आपल्याला. Third and fourth heart sound are also during filling phase, during the diastole only. Rushing of the blood to the ventricles and contraction of the atrial musculature. Third and fourth heart sound, low pitch, inaudible sound. Inaudible म्हणजे ऐकू येत नाही तो. Normally ऐकू येत नाही. Inaudible.
मग तो डेड होता.
Inaudible sound. We are not able to hear it with a normal stethoscope. With a phonocardiogram we are able to listen it. Phonocardiogram ने आपल्याला कळतं. More important is first and second. First heart sound located at
Anteroventricular valves.
because of the atrioventricular valves. Closure of the atrioventricular valves. These are the characteristics. Applied part of this murmur. हे काय तेच दिलेत त्यांनी. Applied part of this is murmur. We also hear some abnormal sounds during the heart sounds, and that is what is called as a murmur. Murmur is because of gurgling of the blood. That is, blood will produce, the flow of the blood produces sound. So we can hear murmur during systole or diastole or anything else. Systolic murmur, that means occurs during systole of the ventricles. Systole is what? Contraction of the ventricles.
Contraction of the ventricle.
This occurs because of stenosis of the semilunar valves or incompetence of the atrioventricular valves. Okay. Diastolic murmur is exactly atrioventricular valves incompetence, atrioventricular valves stenosis and incompetence of the semilunar valves. This table you can do for the murmur.